Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Generac Power's mobile app for EV backup charging. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, locate the Generac Power mobile app on your device. If you haven't installed it yet, go to your device's app store and search for Generac Power. Download and install the application. Once the app is installed, tap to open it. You will be greeted by the login screen. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password section. If you have forgotten your password, tap on the Forgot Password link to reset it. Follow the on-screen instructions to create a new password. After entering your email and password, tap the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to the app's main dashboard. In case you encounter any errors, double-check your email and password for accuracy. If you still experience issues, consider checking your internet connection. After logging in successfully, explore the available features for EV backup charging. You are now ready to manage your backup charging settings through the app. Follow the prompts to set up your EV charging preferences. Now you can monitor your energy usage and charging status conveniently. You have completed the login process for the Generac Power mobile app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.